Pelly, Any Perfect Confidential, banana cream pie overnight oats. If I have your attention yet, that's because you love banana cream pie, and who doesn't? All right, I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's super easy, super fast, 6 ingredients. Stick it in your fridge, eat it in the morning, healthy breakfast overnight. Let's wash our hands. I'm gonna show you how I made it. Our banana pie overnight oats have been in the refrigerator all night, and in the morning you're just going to take it out, give it a quick stir. I like to put it in a pretty little bowl, and then I like to top it with some toasted walnuts, a little toasted coconut, a few slices of banana. I give it a quick little splash of almond milk and a little sprinkling of cinnamon, and there you go. Super healthy, super good. I have it for breakfast, sometimes a snack. And that's the dish. If you love banana cream pie, you have to try this. Okay, for all things health, wellness, beauty, style, and healthy living, visit me on the blog, anyperfectconfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.